Today we're going to be making slime. Well, let's tell them what we need to make slime. What's
Water.
this one? Is it glue?
Glue.
All right, so we're going to take this 5-ounce bottle of glue. We need what, a half a cup of water?
And more glue.
Oh, more glue? We need some baking soda that, will cover the name on it. Yeah, and water and some food coloring.
And water.
And yet, what's this stuff? The contact lens stuff, right?
Contact lens stuff.
Just a little squirt of it. All right. So, are we ready to start making some slime?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, all right. We got our bowl and our spoon.
Oh, yes. I opened it.
All right.
Down.
Are you going to dump our glue in the bowl for us?
Hmm?
Get it open. There you go. Dump all that glue in there. Oh, all of it. Squeeze it out. Whoa. Yeah, that's a lot of glue.
That's a lot of glue.
Why is there still? Oh, man.
See?
Yeah, it's good. We brought look, here you go. You need to wipe your hand off? You got some glue on you? I know, there's still glue coming out.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
How about right here?
All right, we'll leave that right there so we don't lose it. All right, so now... Oh, man, I dripped some glue.
Yep, and then just right on here.
So now that we put our whole thing of glue in there, we need a half a cup of water, right?
Yep,
All right, half a cup of water. I'll take care of this one because that can get messy.
This is cold water, right?
Yep, we're using cold water today.
Yep, we're using cold water today.
All right, so now we got to get that mixed up. Here's a spoon. What color do we want our first batch of slime to be?
I kind of yellow.
You want it yellow? All right, well, let's, which one's already open?
This one.
That one? All right, well, give it a good squeeze of yellow in there. I'll keep stirring until it's as yellow as you want it.
See?
You like it like that?
It's yellow.
Yeah? I mean, that's pretty yellow, but do we want it yellower or no?
No.
No, you're happy with that? All right. Uh-oh. At least you got the cap on first. All right, so we got our water, our food coloring, and our glue all mixed together really good. Now,
The water after.
oh yeah, we'll get the more water in a minute. But right now we need a half a teaspoon of baking soda.
Oh, we got baking soda.
That's right.
Oh,
We're not actually measuring. We're just pouring out about like half a teaspoon. And we'll get that mixed in. Alright, ready? We're almost done with our yellow slime. Let's make sure that's mixed up really good. Yeah, no, now we need the contact solution. Alright, this one. We're going to give it a little squirt, and all of a sudden it's going to change from like liquid stuff into slime. Alright, give it a little squirt. That should be good.
That's a little squirt.
Yeah, we'll add more if we have to. Oh, I know. It's starting to get slimy.
Yep, even slick. Right?
Yeah. Well, we're not to that point yet, but let's give it another squirt of contact stuff. I don't know why that works. It's weird, huh?
Hey!
Oh! Fillmore, what are you doing up on Red's ladder? Oh! A little bit more. It looks like a tablespoon. Oh man, we're starting to actually look slimy. Hey, Red! Oh, now we're talking. stretchy slime. Whoa! It even works! That's awesome! How'd you do that? Oh yeah? Hey, you should bring it up here and show it to the camera. Well, I'm mixing our slime. Whoa! And who's he from? What movie? Yeah. Yeah. And are you ready? Hey. Yes? Look what we got. Yep. Oh, it's still a little thin. Alright, let's make it a little stickier. That means we need a little bit more contact lens stuff. I don't know why that makes it stickier. Let's give it another shot. It's a good thing I got 2 bottles of contact lens stuff. Oh no, I think we're good now. See? Now as we're stirring it, it's coming off of the edge of the bowl. Oh, okay. Now we're talking. Ready? Well, Red's in the way. Why don't you show him our sticky slime? I probably shouldn't have dumped that out right on the table. But look, we can pick it right up. And it's all sticky and stretchy now. Oh, and it's dripping all over me. It's still, oh man, still a tiny bit runny. And messy. He just, oh no, there goes our Halloween candy bowl. So this was poor planning on my behalf. We are making a mess out of this. A little bit stickier. There we go, now we're talking. Use this to pick up all the rest of that other slime. Yeah, Red likes pretzels. All right. Yeah, I thought we were making slime. He just, wow. All right. Well, why don't you come over here and tell everybody on the video that's how you make slime, and thanks for watching.